So first I'm going to go ahead and create a new calendar. I'm going to go over here and go to my Google Calendars. Make sure you're logged in with the right account. Here. And I don't want an event. I'm going to go over ahead and create. Under my calendars, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new calendar. And I'm going to call this calendar my new cal. And I'm going to go ahead and create that. Now, when you create a new calendar, you can put a description in here, you can put a location, but it's not necessary. You can set the default time zone. And I can share this calendar. So I can do a couple of different things here. I can either make it public, in which case I can see all event details, or I can say just free or busy. But since this is a calendar we might want to do for our students or something, I'm going to share this only with Department of Defense activity. If you wanted parents to be able to see it, you could go ahead and make it public. And so I'm going to go ahead and make this a public calendar. Notice they can see all events and details. And I'm not going to put share with specific people because we're going to go ahead and embed this calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and now say create. So here's a calendar, and I don't see it. Okay, it took a minute to show up, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that one. And I want to look at this as a monthly calendar. So notice I'm seeing a lot of other things. I only want to see my calendar, so I'm going to unclick calendars I don't want to see. So I'm going to get rid of the birthdays and holidays. That might be a good one to have, holidays in the United Kingdom, but for right now. And I'm just going to put a date on here, maybe the 22nd. I'll go ahead and create an event, and I'm going to say my new event, and I can make it an all-day thing. I can repeat it, I could have it repeat weekly, monthly, whatever. And you could, if you wanted a Google chat, you could do that. You can select which calendar you want it on here. Remember, I'm using this My New Calendar. I can color code it. Let's go ahead and make it green. So once I've done that, I save it, and there it is on that. So now I've got this here. I'm going to go ahead and go in to my settings, and when I click on settings for that calendar, here's my new calendar, and now I can go ahead and embed this calendar if I wanted. But so if I were going to put that, say, into my ePortal calendar, I might want to grab this embed code. But we're going to go ahead and put it into our Google Sites calendar. So it's really easy then. So I'm just going to go ahead, and I've created a Google Sites site here, and I'm going to go ahead, and when I click on the little edit thing, notice now here I can insert something. So I'm going to go ahead and put my cursor somewhere where I want this calendar, and I'm going to go say insert, and I'm just going to go ahead and go to calendar, and notice there's all the different calendars, and I could combine if I wanted. Maybe you have multiple classes, you want to put them all on the same calendar. You could have a different calendar for each class, but I could add them all. So I'm going to just select here, and I'm going to show all that. And now I've added this calendar. So I'll go ahead and save it. And there's my new event right there. Didn't keep the color coding, unfortunately, but there it is. So it's very easy to put in with using Google Sites and calendars. It's easy to go ahead and embed a calendar in here. So